In this video, you're going to watch me set up the structure for a brand new online course, an LMS course, that has 5 modules and 20 segments in under 4 minutes. I'll be using our company software titled Xando LMS. Now, besides being able to stream variable bitrate video from within our program without any add-ons, and having the ability to stream live chats and live virtual classrooms without any third-party plugins, Xando LMS is the fastest, most robust video-based LMS program on the market today. And in this video, you're going to see how fast we really are. The structure for our online courses is based on modules and segments. Modules can be compared to file cabinets. Segments contain course content and are compared to folders inside of a file cabinet. Now, there's no limit to the number of modules or the number of segments each module can have in our course program. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you through this 4-minute process, and you're going to watch me create the structure for this new course. Then when I'm done, I'm going to go back and explain exactly what I did so you understand how simple it is to do this. We've already created a course. We named it Sample Course. We're ready to add modules. So you click the button for Add Modules, and it brings us to this screen. Here, you just type in the name of the module. We'll call it Module 1. Hit Enter, and we add a module. It's that easy. We go up here to the modules, the drop-down, click Add, type in Module 2, hit Enter, and it's that easy. Click on Modules, click on Add, Module 3, hit Enter, you got 3 modules. Click on Modules and Add, name it, Module 4. You've got 4 modules. Add Module 5, and just that quick, you've created 5 modules in your online course. Now you can go back up to Module 1, hit the drop-down, and you'll see the little button for a new segment. Type in Segment 1, hit Enter, you just created a segment. Hit New Segment again, name it Segment 2 or whatever, you've created a segment. Click the new segment again, hit Enter, you've got 3 segments. Click on the segment again, new segment, you've got 4 segments. So there we already have 4 segments in Module 1. We do the same thing here in Module 2. When you hit the drop-down, you see the new segment button that I'm continuing to hit every time I want to add a new segment to a module. You go ahead and enter the name, hit Enter, and in this case, we've got 3 segments already created. As we continue on here, I'd like to mention that every time the instructor clicks on the down arrow for one of his modules, he will always see the new segment button. So he can add a segment at any time that he's ever into the edit portion of his course. Now, as we continue on, you're watching me add more and more and more segments to these modules. I kind of got away from myself in Module 2. I had intended on putting 4 segments in each one of these modules, and I put 5 segments in Module 2. And I just realized it. So I was checking around, and now I put 5 segments in Module 3. Had to go back and check. Oh yeah, I put 5 in Module 2. My goal in the beginning was to do a 5-module course with 4 segments in each in under 4 minutes. Well, I'm putting 5 modules in some of these, but I have a feeling it's still going to be under 4 minutes. The point of this video is that I want potential users, potential instructors, to see how easy it is to build out the structure of a course. Instructors' time should be spent in building content into the segments of the course and not taking hours or days to figure out how to set up the structure. When I get done with adding 5 segments to Module 5, you can do your stopwatch, because then we're done. There, we're done. The time I clicked Add a Module to this new course, sample course, until I was done, it's exactly 4 minutes from the time I clicked on Add a Module. But remember, my original intent was to do a 5-module course with each module having 4 segments. And 4 of these 5 modules actually have 5 segments. But the point is, you see how quick it is to set up the structure for a course. Okay, now I'm just going to take a couple of minutes and show you or explain to you exactly what you just saw, click by click, to add modules and segments. First, I'll show you how easy it is to set up a new course. Now, once an administrator sets a person up as an instructor and they log in, that new instructor is going to see this screen. Even though the instructor has no courses yet, he'll click on the taskbar where it says My Courses. That would bring up the next screen that has a Create a Course button on it. I have it circled in red. Now, this is actually the screen that down the road will list all of the courses that an instructor builds out. In this case, I've already done a course titled Xando Online Tutorial. I want to create a new course, so I'll click the Create a Course button. This brings up the Create a New Course page where I've already titled the course Sample Course. Now, there's a number of other fields on this page that can be filled out in the future. These all pertain to things like mini descriptions of the course, something that would go in a course catalog, extended descriptions of the course. None of this has to be filled out when you start to build out the structure of a course, because they don't relate to the structure of the course. But for those people, when they come back and they want to fill this out, we make it easy to do. Each field has a little question mark behind it. And if you click on one of those question marks, you're going to get a pop-up that tells you what that field is for. In fact, we use this system, the little question marks behind blank fields, in every part of our LMS program to help instructors fill out fields. Our goal when we started this program was to design a course that an instructor would never have to open up a manual for. Now, let's get back to building out the structure of our new course. Once you've gone to the point where you've typed in the title for your new page, in this case, Sample Course, simply hit Enter, and you're going to see a screen that looks like this, which is ready to start to add modules to the course. While there's a lot that can be done from this screen, the only thing that we're interested in is building course structure, which means modules. And I've got modules circled in red. You simply click on that, you have a drop down, and there's a button that says Add a Module. That brings up the page titled Add a Module, and again, there's your title. You type in this case, I'm going to type in Module 1, and you have a choice of going to the bottom and click the button that says Add a Module, or you can hit Enter. As soon as you do that, you're going to see your course page with Module 1 on it. Looks like this. I have it circled in red. Now at this point, you can either go back over and click on the module button and add another module, or you can click on the new segment for Module 1 and create a new segment, basically the same exact way that you created a new module. So this video is about how to create a 5-module course with each module having 4 segments in under 4 minutes with our software. And before I close this video out, I want to show you how easy it is to reorganize the order of segments within a module. You can just watch me do it. The fact is, our entire Xando LMS program is this easy to use. To rearrange a segment, I just click on the segment, click on Edit Segment, go to the bottom. I'll grab segment number 5 and pull it up to the second position, save changes, and you can see right there, segment 5 is now in the second place. It's just that simple. When I want to move it back, I click on Edit Segment. I go down to the bottom, grab it, pull it down to the bottom, hit Save Changes, and it's now back where it was when we started. It's that simple to use. In closing, we also have short little videos showing how to upload a video from a computer or from a smartphone or from a tablet into the course and how to place it into the course. We also have a short video that shows how we use our live chat or virtual classroom, and you can go and see that particular feature either on our website or on our YouTube channel. And finally, people always ask, where did I come up with the name of Xando for our LMS software program? Xando was my dog that was killed in a house fire back in 2011. I chose to honor him by naming this software Xando LMS.